SAP is an acronym for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is a company specializing in computer software that helps businesses manage their operations. SAP software helps companies with various aspects of their operations, such as sales, human resources, customer service and finance. Significance of SAP training for organizations. 1. What is SAP? SAP is a leading manufacturer of computer applications that help businesses improve the efficiency of their operations while managing their data. 2. History of SAP. The first version of SAP was started in June 1972, and originally was only used by large businesses. Subsequently, it was made available to smaller businesses to also help achieve their business goals. 3. Why SAP is popular. SAP is a widely recognized company that a top software manufacturer that are used by companies of all sizes for everything related to business applications. What is SAP HCM? It's the software that really helps the HR, human resources, department manage people in a company. 1. HR is more than hiring. HR does much more than just hire people. HR also manage job titles, salaries, promotions, and everything else. 2. How SAP HCM help. This module provides HR with a single source of truth for all these aspects of a company. 3. Below is where SAP HCM has submodules. Organizational management manages people in a company to achieve company objectives. Personnel administration maintains salaries, job performances, and other employee details. Advantages of SAP CRM. 1. What is SAP CRM? It is the software that helps organizations manage customers and their needs. 2. Benefits of SAP CRM. It helps organizations provide better services and develop superior customer relationships. 3. Personalized customer solutions. Companies may offer unique solutions for each customer so they feel important and valued. Consistent experience everywhere. It helps provide customers with the same good experience in each of the company's branches. Benefits include increase trust and loyalty to the customer, increase profits, keep customers happy and coming back. Key advantages of SAP SD, sales and distribution, module in organizations. 1. What is SAP SD? SAP SD is a software component that allows organizations to conduct sales, shipping, billing, and other processes. 2. Its primary purpose. SAP SD takes care of customers' orders from sales to shipping to billing payment. 3. Data management capability. SAP SD allows you to manage your key data, including customer data, customer master, product data, material master. 4. Major activities performed include order initiation, pricing. 5. Submodules of SAP SD include sales, shipping. Conclusion. SAP is an incredibly useful program, allowing businesses to work smarter and manage their data more effectively. It can support many aspects of a company's operation including its sales, customer service, human resources, and finance. As employees receive proper SAP training, they can use the software more efficiently, allowing the business to grow and thrive. This is a major reason more companies are adopting SAP as their business platform as well as training their employees to make the best use of it.